quick wound with makeup you already have at home. I am going to take a pretty thin brush and create a nice light gash. Let's open that up a little and add a little darker color. It's weird and grotesque. It's a great time to play with soft edges and hard lines, and its part, you can use lipstick as blood. Now I am using a lip color palette, but a stick is even easier. I'm gonna go in and just glob that in there. This you could set with a setting powder. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions about today's video and are looking for other tips, be sure to leave a comment and we will get back to you at Stage Agent very soon.